I don't know if we should go collapse spot. Oh, I don't care. I'll figure it out.
I'm just like getting a. This is you.
Huh?
This is you.
Are you recording?
Yes. And I'm gonna screenshot that.
Is this gonna go on one of your new YouTube videos?
Yes, you're gonna be on the video.
Cool. So,
what do you want to say to the camera?
take out our victims.
What do you want to say to the camera?
He gets to live.
Okay.
One team will be starting right there at the red bunker. One team will be starting right there behind the wood line of Bravo.
But there's a red bunker and a blue bunker.
Penis. Penis. I didn't say it. Sorry. It challenged me. Sorry. Penis.
Penis. It's butt fucking good.
One team will be starting at Alpha, blue team will be starting at Bravo. Same rules. You can't use full auto as long as you're not shooting over 400 FPS.
Wait,
Set your
where's
base.
blue? Okay.
Penis.
Butt fucking good.
I'm pretty sure some of those guys are older than me and they're saying that.
I can't say that on camera. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to bleep all those out.
I got that match.
Let me spell it out for you.
Whoever
the
finds
F word
this
good.
is a P-U-S-S-Y.
I'm also have to bleep out me spelling it as well. So.
Don't bleep out pussy, okay? It's the best thing God ever made. And no one can get offended by that unless you get female girls. Just they might.
Feminists.
Feminists.
YouTube might get offended.
Hit!
You hit?
Yeah.
For you.
I got shot in the calf.
Okay.
Hit!
Hey, there's a guy really close to this building. Bad word. Close.
Get him.
Dude, you're blue. Why are you shooting at us?
No, past you.
Oh, fuck. Here, let me get something. Here, let me get back.
Outside the door, outside the door!
That's too heavy anymore.
Oh yeah, we're ready to pull out.
We should be dead, because we had another piece of smoke to cover. I know.
We're dead, we're dead.
Yeah, we're all dead.
We're all
Somebody
dead.
threw a grenade in here, so.
Whoever had the thunder be smoking. How's it coming out? How's it coming out? Oh fuck!
Oh, fuck. What? Such operator right there. Props, man.
We don't want to give you, bro. Okay, go, 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 go. Hey, hey! Alright, you come with me.
Okay, fuck yes. I get with Suka Bleed.
By the way, you can't blind fire, shithead. I didn't blind fire, shithead. I saw you right in the face. There's no way. How did I not?
He didn't even shoot.
Did you see that hit me?
Yes. What? What?
Him. He shot me now.
Yeah.
Hey, I want you to tell me.
Shoot his gun.
Rip.
Ow, rip us.
Dead.
We're hit.
Everyone in this room is dead. Well, time to respawn.
Time to respawn. Oh, yeah.
Dead. I'm dead. Don't shoot me, please.
Please don't shoot us.
No, you stay here.
Oh, okay.
Guys, stop throwing grenades. What the
Oh,
fuck?
wait, they killed us, so like.
I'm dead. No, I'm blue. I'm just dead. I'm just
I'm a
trying to get
hostage. Hi, guys. I'm a hostage. I'm hostage.
Yellow, please do not shoot me with your dead rag on.
Ooh, I like this. Where are we going? You gonna take me to the bedroom?
I am.
Fuck yes.
Bend you over, baby.
It's finger butt looking good.
Oh, where am I supposed to take you?
I don't know. I'm just supposed to respawn your base.
Oh, okay.
This game is sort of like Well, we're gonna shoot you, kill you, and then we're gonna make you work for us. Because once you're dead, you're just that much useful. Take me to your master.
Already hit, dude.
Oh. Don't fucking shoot me. Okay, well still, here, do it. You're inside the bunker, dude.
Bunker tag, you're out.
When you're in the bunker,
Bye. We're not in
the more you know.
Bunker tag. 30 seconds, that's all.